All right, I'm doing a video of my Milwaukee compact leaf blower on the back of my flatbed tow truck. We've only had a few inches of snow, and it kind of really does work well for this. If it's light snow, fluffy snow, and you can blow it off with a leaf blower. So what I do is when I take it apart and want to store it, I put it in a ammo box, and it fits in there nice and compact. So, but anyway, I'm sure the tow companies or the tow guys do the same thing across the country where they have to deal with snow. As you see, it works out great around your chain. Strap. So anyway, you get the idea. The crevices, the corners, and you know, if you want to blow the whole back of the flatbed off with it, then that's all good. But mostly for places like this, and you keep it with you during a snowstorm, and you can keep up on the snow. Alrighty, I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you. Be safe.